Hello everyone, let's continue our today's English class. Today we are going to go through past continuous tense and we will go through past continuous tense in voices. Now we will learn how to convert past continuous tense from active voice to passive voice. Class, we know that past continuous tense relates to the action that was in continuation in past at some point of time. Okay, in past it was in continuation. We are talking about the past. So, which form of verb we will apply here? Was were plus first form plus ing. As we know that wherever we are having this word continuous, we will go with first form plus ing because ing never comes alone. So subject plus was were plus first form plus ing plus object is the formation of active voice, and in passive voice the object will take place of the subject plus was were plus. In order to omit first form plus ing, what do? We will apply the word being here, because at the place of first form we will go with be was been. Be is the first form of the verb and we will add up ing as it is, so it will become being. Okay, being plus, according to the rule, third form of the verb will be applied plus by plus subject. So let's have a quick look at the example. After that we will go with the exercise. Mukul was playing a game. Now was playing, you have to notice this verb that it is given in which tense. It is given in was were first form plus ing, so it means it is relating to past continuous tense. Now we have to convert it into passive voice. A game. Mukul was playing a game, so a game was. Now we have to add up this word being at the place of first form plus ing. Being played, third form is played. Played by whom? By Mukul. Now here we are with exercise number 19.9. Convert the following sentences into passive voice. Sentences are given in active voice and we have to go for passive voice. So let's start. Renu was watching a cartoon show. Now class, Renu is a subject here, and in verbs what do we see? That was were first form plus ing is written here. So it means we are going to go through past continuous tense. A cartoon show is an object here. Now in passive voice object will become the subject. So let's go. A cartoon show, single cartoon show is here. So between was and were we will go with was. A cartoon show was. Now we see that in past continuous tense we will go with the verb being at the place of first form plus ing. A cartoon show was being. Now third form watch, watched, watched. Was were is the helping verb and watch is the main verb here. So watch, watched, watched was being watched. By whom? By Renu. By Renu. Full stop. Next is the butler was cutting vegetables. Now vegetables. Now single is not here, it is showing plural one. So vegetables were being cut. All the forms will remain same. Vegetables were being cut by the butler. The main thing is that we have to keep it in mind that we have to select was or were. It depends upon the subject whether it is singular or plural. Plus we have to add up the word being here, and third form will be applied according to the rule of the voice. Now by keeping it in mind, we will sort out all the sentences given here. At number 3, we are having the sentence, the new teacher was addressing the students. Now we see that students, now this is object and it will become subject here. The students are in plural form, so we will select the verb were. The students were, now was were plus first form plus ing is here, so we will go with the verb, the word being. The students were being addressed. Addressed, third form will be applied, addressed by the new teacher. Next is children were drawing pictures. Pictures, now we are having pictures word, not a single picture. Pictures were, again was were first form ing, we have to go with the word being. Pictures were being drawn by the children. The workers were raising slogans. Now slogans were being raised by the workers. Next is the donkey was carrying a heavy load. A heavy load was being carried. Carried, third form will be applied. Was being carried by whom? By the donkey. Subject will take place of the object and object will take place of the subject. The doctor was examining the patient. The most common sentence is this. Everywhere we can find this. The patients. You have to take care of the subject whether it is singular and plural. Otherwise your whole sentence will be wrong. The patients were being examined by the doctor. Next is our teacher was helping us. Now we were, us will take place, it will be converted into we. We have read how we were being helped by our teacher. Alna was playing video games. Video games were being played by Alna. The joker was distributing toffees. Toffees, now we are not talking about a single toffee. Toffees, plural. Toffees were being distributed by the joker. Now in this exercise we are not having any negative form. So let's take a look at the example having negative form. She was not given excuses. She was not giving excuses. So excuses, we are talking about plural. Excuses were not being given by her. We have to include this negative form after the helping verb. Excuses were not being given by her. The rest of the rule will be followed as same. So this was your exercise number 19.9. I hope now you are able to sort it out. It's quite easy. Just go through it once again. Thank you, class.